Step 1. Preparing ingredients. I bought this salmon from Whole Foods. I asked them to remove the scales of the salmon and cut them into appropriate sizes. Remove moisture with a kitchen towel. Salmon steak is a little thick, so add some slices on the skin part of the salmon like this. Grilling the salmon with the skin on will make sure the salmon doesn't easily break and will taste even better. Sprinkling salt on the salmon helps the unnecessary moisture will come out due to osmosis and make the flesh firmer. If you sprinkle ground pepper from the start, it can easily burn when grilling, so I will add it later in the sauce. Leave it for about 20 minutes. Slice 1 green onion. I will use it as a garnish later. Slice 1 clove of garlic thinly for making the sauce. Slice the rest of the garlic in half. Slice the ginger thinly. If you have asparagus, prepare 3. When you trim the asparagus, cut off the end like this. This part is tough, so it doesn't taste good even if you cook it. This is optional. Step 2. Making sauce. Put 3 tablespoons of soy sauce in the pan. Add 3 tablespoons of honey. If you don't have it, you can add a corn syrup or sugar. Add 2 tablespoons of cooking wine. If you don't have it, add 2 tablespoons of water. Add a bit of ground pepper. Add sliced garlic and ginger. Boil them. Adding ginger enriches the flavor of the sauce. Turn off the heat when the sauce is boiled down 1/3 of the way. Step 3. Grilling salmon. 20 minutes later, add 1 tablespoon of oil to the preheated pan. If you sprinkle salt on salmon, water comes out like this due to osmotic pressure. Wipe it well with a kitchen towel before grilling. First, grill the skin part. Place the heat over high and grill it. I'm gonna grill it to be crispy on the outside and moist on the inside. After 1 minute, place the heat over medium and low. If you keep grilling over high heat, it will easily burn, only the surface will be cooked and the inside will be raw. Don't flip the salmon often when you grill it. Sprinkle oil on the salmon's surface with a spoon. This method is called basting. While the bottom is cooked, the top also begins to cook in hot oil. Do this for a minute or 2. Salmon contains omega-3 fatty acids and amino acids, so it's very good for eye health. It's also good for preventing wrinkles, improving brain function, preventing cardiovascular disease, and lowering the level of inflammation. Salmon contains a lot of healthy ingredients. Wow, it's cooked so well. Cook the sides too. If you look closely, you can visibly see how much of the salmon is cooked. Turn the salmon upside down when it's half cooked. Add a bit of butter. Adding butter enhances the flavor and removes the fishy smell of the salmon. Add sliced garlic. If you have rosemary, add a bit. It's good because the taste of the herbs gets into the salmon. If you don't have it, you can skip it. And add asparagus and cook them together. Sprinkle oil on the salmon's surface with a spoon like this. When you grill salmon, the grilling time varies depends on the size and thickness, but usually 5 to 6 minutes each side. It's good to grill salmon while looking at the surface. Some people like to cook it to only 90% because the texture becomes a little dry when it's cooked too much. This is up to you. You can cook it according to your preference. Once it's done, turn off the heat. Step 4. Plating. Place the salmon steak on the plate. Put the asparagus. Put the cooked rice. It also goes well with mashed potatoes. Put the sauce on the salmon steak. Sprinkle some green onions on top of the salmon. Sprinkle a bit of sesame seeds. This is optional. Wow, a very nice and delicious salmon steak is done! Let me have a bite. Look at inside, it's so juicy. It goes well with the sauce. The skin part is so crispy. Hope you give it a try. It is super delicious salmon steak. Did the pan-fried salmon steak look special for holiday cuisine? I hope so, depending upon your residential location. It might be a bit difficult to find good quality salmon, but I'm hoping that you can find it so that you can try my recipe. I hope you enjoyed my episode today. I really appreciate your support for my channel. If you think the program was useful, please push the like and subscription button. Hope you have great holidays. 감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye.